my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how.
Hi babes, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kaylee with House of a Blonde, and I am so happy that you are here with me today. Today we are going to be doing a 15-minute clean. And this is really going back to my strategy that I talked about in my last video of just focusing on a key few things so that I am able to really focus in and get more done and be more productive.
It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
As you can see, we are starting here in the kitchen. I would say that this is definitely our most used room in the entire house. We spend so much time in here, so it is constantly in need of a good cleaning. Now, I am going to be so honest, all of these dishes are an accumulation of dishes from the night before, and then I got up and just went ahead and cooked us breakfast in the mess because I knew that I was going to do kind of a big clean of the kitchen right after, so I figured I would just do it all at once. So some of these pieces that I am cleaning are for a new gadget, I guess you could call it, that we have. It is called a Hot Shot smokeless grill. So it's kind of this big thing that you can see in the corner here. You could see it in the beginning of the video too, and it is essentially just that, a smokeless indoor grill. So it's a pretty decent size. We do not have a grill, so this was kind of a good solution. So we have used it a couple times so far, and so far I would say that we really love it.
Far away from the city lights. We're far away from the city lights, so the small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
I am still using this Pledge multi-purpose cleaner. This one in particular has antibacterial properties in it, which is really nice. So according to the directions, you spray it on, let it sit for 1 minute, and then you can wipe it off. I really am liking this recently because of the applicator and the way that it comes out of the bottle. It's almost like this mist. It kind of reminds me of the Febreze one, if you've ever used that. Now, just the way it comes out of the bottle, not necessarily the handle that is used for it, but it's really nice. The smell is pleasant as well, so that is always a bonus. But I have really been loving this product recently.
By my side when the sun goes. City dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night skies fall.
finishing up cleaning off my little coffee nook here and just putting those plants back into place. And then I am gonna go ahead and just vacuum the whole kitchen. I swear, anytime I pull out the vacuum, Winnie always has to see what's going on, what we're doing. So next I am tackling a project that has been bugging me recently that I have really wanted to do, but it just seemed like such a daunting task, if I'm gonna be honest. And that is cleaning the baseboards. So what I've decided to do to make this a little bit more manageable, like I talked about in the beginning of the video, is to take this chunk by chunk. So right now I am going to tackle the baseboards in the kitchen, and then we are going to move into the hallway. So in our house, I feel like the baseboards get particularly dirty because of the dogs. They're just constantly, bringing in so much dirt and debris, and they just kind of wipe up against the side of the walls. You'll see me wipe the walls down a little bit too. I just feel like they just bring in so much from the outside. That's another reason why I try to vacuum so much, to kind of capture all of that dirt and dust and dog hair and just keep it out of the house. So again, I just used the antibacterial Pledge spray that I've been using. This one again is a multi-surface cleaner, and it worked extremely well. I didn't notice at all that the baseboards or the walls or anything like that got sticky or tacky afterwards. You know how that can happen sometimes. And it just wiped all the dirt off extremely easy. As you can see, I've got my little helper here. He wants to know what we're doing, what we're up to. As much as I want to say he's a mama's boy, I think that he is truly a daddy's boy.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing.
So I am just going ahead and finishing up the hallway. You can kind of see me going down and getting that last little bit of the hallway there. Again, the baseboards and the walls. The boys are in this hallway quite often. If we leave the house or something like that, we do baby gate them and put them in this little hallway. And even though you can't see what I'm doing, I wanted to leave this in there because you can just see them running back and forth and back and forth, a little duo. So next we are going to hop right into cleaning the bathroom. So I'm going to be doing a full clean of the bathroom, doing the standard sink, countertops, toilet, and then I'm also going to tackle the shower as well.
Carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire.
ready to switch to cleaning the toilet, I am going to switch to paper towels for this instead of my typical microfiber cloth. That way, just because it is the toilet, I can just go ahead and throw all these paper towels away right afterwards, and not have to worry about trying to wash them or anything like that. I don't know, to me, I just feel like I have to use paper towels when I'm cleaning the toilet. I don't know, what about you? Is that something that you do, or are you willing to sacrifice and to use one of your microfiber cloths? Let me know.
Gets too dark. I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you.
One other thing that I did that I feel like is helpful to mention is when I went ahead and put that toilet bowl cleaner in, I let it sit for a good couple minutes. I feel like the packaging says to let it sit for 10 minutes. Then I scrub, and then I let it sit in there for a good duration of time after as well. I'm just doing this just to make sure that it's killing all of those germs, bacteria, and stuff like that, especially that can harvest in a toilet. So definitely make sure to try to leave that on there and follow all of the directions according to the back of the bottle.
I'll be your light. I've seen those faces.
I just went ahead and wiped down the glass door to the shower, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take everything out that's in there and spray it down with, of course, my favorite method, bathroom cleaner. This one has a really nice, crisp mint eucalyptus scent to it, so it's not harsh. That's another reason that I really love these Method products, is that they're not harsh and not super chemically smelling. Now, the directions on the back of this guy said to spray and then wipe, so it doesn't need to sit according to the back of the bottle. So that is exactly what I did.
Takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt.
Now, when I clean the shower, I typically try to start on the walls as high up as I can reach, and then I will just work my way down, really making sure that I get in between each and every one of those tiles in those grout lines, just to make sure that there is no gunk that has built up in there, to make sure that I'm getting everything out. Then last but not least, what you'll see me do is at the very end, I will spray the floor of the shower down. I typically do that last. I know some people start with it or whatever it may be. Whatever works best for you. That's the great thing about cleaning is, yes, you can take tips and tricks from other YouTubers or YouTube videos that you watch, but at the end of the day, this is your house and you always have to do what works best for you and your family. I hope that this video was motivating and inspiring and helps you tackle some of those projects that you might not want to do, or just get those basics done. I love doing these short videos, so definitely make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I am so glad that you stopped by today, and I hope that you have an amazing day.